Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this sweat fella battery suction lifter. This is the sucker with 4,000 mAh battery capacity and 26 centimeter in diameter. That's for tiles, for glass, for marble, with two motors. 300 kilogram suction power comes here, with an LCD display for suction power and battery life indicator. With an electric suction lifter for a tile, or it's a tile lifter. And the Sweatfella battery suction lifter for tiles has two built-in motors, so that the suction power is even stronger and reaches a vertical suction power of 300 of kilogram. The double rubber construction forms the chamber. Triple sealing improves the tightness, and the suction power is more durable because of that. Maximum vertical suction power of 300 kilogram. That's a lot. The suction cap comes with a 24 centimeter of diameter, with two motors rated to power 10 watts. Efficiently sucks up the tiles, the marble, glass, and other smooth materials. The white filter wadding is used to filter impurities and to protect the engine. We do not drop it, of course, and remove that knot. The intelligent tile lifter with a real-time LCD display for full profit control permanently monitors suction pressure, the battery level, and the operation hours. The auto-off function under a vacuum protects the valuable materials from damage. Integrated LED work light for use in the dark rooms are built into. The rubber bottom for a vacuum cleaner sucker is made of the three-layer of the thickened rubber with a thickness of 50 millimeter and can normally be used at minus 15 degrees Celsius up to 70 degrees Celsius. With the help of the intelligent air filling function and a dual motor design, the electric suction cap can provide a reliable adhesive to smooth and rough surfaces. The battery has two built-in 2,000 mAh batteries with a long service life. After full charge, it can work continuously for 10 hours. It also has an overheating protection function, and it is dust and waterproof. This makes it ideal for terrace construction, bathroom renovation, and large projects and objects we're going to lift up and have to go to another place with that. You can see you can lift up with a lot of weight by using this battery-powered glass suction. One-click start for easy installation of, for example, ceramic tiles. It saves the work. It comes with a 4,000 mAh battery, 300 kilogram heavy bearing, and a carrier bag. Dual motors are more powerful with a stable suction. Movable bricks are more stable. This is absorbed without an avalanche. And we have 3-layer thickened rubber material with a high strength and scale free. We have a load bearing layer on top. Then we have a stretch layer. And on the bottom, the absorption layer. We can use it on glass and ceramic tiles, marble, metal, plastic, MDF. Use it on a variety of surfaces. There's no possible of vacuum on the rough surfaces, of course. We have Type-C charging port, 4,000 mAh batteries, and digital screen, and a brushless motor set. This all and more brings us this small sucker here. This is the Sweatfella sucker. It can be used as a lifter for heavy objects like tiles or something else. You can see it is easy to use. We get this sucker into position on the flat surface. We push and hold the button for approximately 2 seconds, and then it will automatically start to make a vacuum inside. After this, we can lift up the tile, for example, get it down and push again and remove the vacuum out of it. Job's done. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!